Hello everyone. So we have a question here. It's under the topic of polynomial. We're given a function of ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx minus 9, and it is divisible by x plus 3. It is given that p dash o equals to 36 and p double dash o is equals to 86. Okay, so part 1, we want to find the value of each constants a, b, and c. Now, let's start with the first hint that's been given to us, which is divisible by 3. So when a sentence says that this term is divisible by x plus 3, it means that we know that the remainder of x plus 3 is going to be equals to 0, so which means when x equals to negative 3, the whole thing is equals to 0. So let's write it down. So negative 3 cubed a plus negative 3 square a plus negative 3a minus 9 equals to 0. Then we have negative 27a plus 9a minus 3a minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, now it looks like okay, sorry, messed up. Everything is not a, should be b here and then c, right? B, c. Okay, great. So negative 27a plus 9b minus 3c minus 9 equals to 0. Then we have negative 27a plus 9b minus 3c is equals to 9. So we can make this smaller. We can divide everything by 3. So we have negative 9a plus 3b minus c equals to 3. Now moving on to the next part, we have another hint here that says p dash 0 is equals to 36. Okay, so that basically means the dash means that you have to differentiate. So taking the px, copy this question here. So dash once, we're going to get the differentiation. We get 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. Then when we substitute x is equals to 0, p dash x is equals to 36. So 36, this is 0 plus 0 plus c. So therefore c is equals to 36. Okay, now moving on to the third part, it's double dash now. Double dash means you differentiate twice. So taking from the previous answer, take this, copy, then paste. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to differentiate this again. So we're going to have 6ax plus 2b. Okay, now let's substitute x equals to 0, it equals to 86. So this is equals to 86, and x equals to 0, you only get 2b. And then b is equals to 43. Okay, now lastly we want to find a. Since we already found b and c, we can easily find a. Alright, so let's move on to the next part, part 4. So let's substitute all these values. 9a plus 3, b is 43, minus c is 36, is equals to 3. Then we have negative 9a is equals to negative 90. Then we have a is equals to 10. So now let's finalize. We have a is equals to 10. Oops. B is equals to 43, and c is equals to 36. Now for part 2, the question's asking, let me draw a line here. For part 2, the question's asking, what is the remainder of px when it's divided by 2x minus 1? Okay, so we're going to have to use long division here. I'm going to write down the equation. We have a is equal to 10. So 10x cubed plus 10x squared plus, oh sorry, it's not 10, b is 43, plus c is 36, x minus 9. Then we want to divide this by 2x minus 1. So let's do this step by step. We have 10x cubed divided by 2x. That is going to give you 5x squared. Yeah. So then 5x squared times 2x, you're going to get 10x cubed. But so you want to eliminate this. Okay. Now you're not done. when you divide 10x cubed by 2x squared, you get 5x squared. 5x squared multiplied with 2x, you get 10x cubed. Again, then you need to multiply 5x squared with negative 1. That's going to give you negative 5x squared. Okay, now 10x cubed is definitely cancelled. We have 43x squared minus negative 5x. That's going to give you 48x squared. Okay, now let's move the rest, just go down. Now 48x squared divided by 2x, that's going to give you positive 24x. Okay, so we're going to get 48x squared here minus 24x minus 1 is going to be negative 24x. So we have 36x minus negative 24. So they're going to be added with each other. It's going to give you 60x. Now let's bring down 9. Yeah. Now 60x divided by 2x is going to give you 30. Okay. Now it's going to give you 60x. Put a negative sign here. 30 times negative 1 is going to give you negative 30. And then you're only left with negative 9 minus negative 30, which is 30 minus 9, a remainder of 21. So your answer is 21. Okay.